Circulaire is a function that is found on every single SMEG oven and is probably the most versatile. The fan function allows you to cook on lots of different levels, so the 5 shelf positions or 4 shelf positions that you will find in a SMEG oven, and get even browning throughout. One of the other benefits is it's also really quick to get up to temperature, so you can achieve temperatures of 180 degrees in just 4 to 6 minutes. The main benefit really of Circulaire though is the fact that you don't get a cross-transference of flavours and smells. So in my oven here, I've got a mixture of some chicken and chorizo kebabs. I also have some vegetables with some onions and garlic, but I have some meringues, a very delicate food that would absorb any other flavours that might be in the cavity. The way in which it works with Circulaire is that the air is actually sucked into the fan at the back where the heating element is located and wrapped around. This will clean the air that might come off the chicken and chorizo and onion, and then it's blown out of the other vents after being cleaned by that heating element. So there you have it, the ability to really maximise those shelf positions with even browning, but also the ability to cook your whole meal in one go.